I just spent about 2.5 hours on that one. I might do a time lapse, might do a bit of an ASMR type video, some clips after this. Let's see what comes up. Hi, how you doing? Thanks for tuning in, Mark here. So apologies for the road noise. I'm on a bit of a busy main road, actually just up the road from where I live today, and I'm just about to start work on this BMW X3. So I thought I'd show you the headlights before we get cracking with the restorations. Let's have a look at this one first. As you can see, typically cloudy on top in the main. The rest of it actually looks quite good apart from some scratches on this one, but got to rework the whole unit to make it look as good as possible and as even as possible. But yeah, going on top, actually quite a few little crays, micro cracks. Don't know if you can see those. Maybe I'll try and take some close-up videos, but yeah, actually really does let the look of the car down. Surprising, especially with the sun shining on it there. Let's have a look at this one. I think this one's a little bit worse because there seems to be some man-made sort of scratches on this one as well. So not looking great. Never worked on an X3 before, so I'm not actually sure quite how these are going to come to me. A few hours work though ahead of me. I might do a time lapse, might do a bit of an ASMR type video, some clips after this. Let's see what comes up. And hopefully we'll end up with a cracking set of headlights. There you go. Thanks for watching. See you on the other side of this. Right, okay, so before I move on to the next headlight, you've just seen me working on this one, the passenger side headlight. I'll show you that close up. And like I say, before I move on to the next headlight, I'll show you them before and after, so to speak, side by side. Still a few little micro cracks and cracks deeper in the plastic with that, but the owner's just seen it, he's really happy, so that's all good. Really pleased about that. So it's looking quite nice. And if we whiz across to here, you can see what I'm just about to work on, and you can really see the difference then side by side. I might do another little video as well, so it's a bit more steady-handed, but I think you can appreciate the difference. I just spent about 2.5 hours on that one. But yeah, looking pretty good. There you go. Right, I'll get on with that one and I'll see you in a bit. Cheers. Hey peeps, I'm back again. This time I've completed both headlights on the BMW X3, so I thought I'd let you have a quick look at those before we go. I've been luckily shaded from the sun most of the day by this bonnet. Luck and judgment. I started on the other headlight, as you know, and as the sun's moved around, this bonnet has continued to shade me, which is quite nice. A bit dark down here now, but I think you can see that. It's looking pretty good. There is some crazing and some micro cracks deeper in this plastic on both the headlights that I couldn't get rid of, but the owner's seen them, he's really happy. I mean, overall they look massively better. Just about to see the other one over there, so have a quick look at that one again. So yeah, huge improvement. Was letting the car down like it always does. Not sure how well you can see that, I think that might be a bit washed out. But yeah, chuffed to bits for the owner. Happy with that. There you go. Thanks again for watching. I look forward to the next one. See you next time. Have a great day.